really very nice, and especially the most important thing, that he is a Pakistani singer, so I am even more proud of him. Go my boy, do it and have a nice name for you and your country, because right now Pakistan doesn't have a very good image internationally. I accept it, and I have no shame in accepting or saying the truth. I totally agree. And if you think you don't agree with me, if you think I am lying, then well, I can't say go to hell, because then it would be quite harsh. But I don't care. The best thing is that Rahat is a very good singer, and he is doing good for him and for his country as well. And we all must try to do something really nice and really good, so that our country's image and reputation, well, accent, wow, okay, the reputation should be at a level where it is supposed to be. And well, Rad bhai, well done, keep it up and keep doing your good work. Well, this song, well, here on this script I have written that this song is from Mehak to Jasmine, but actually it's from no one to no one's. It's from Mehak to Jasmine, Cutie, Shona, and all the other users as well. Okay, in fact this song is not by anyone, it's by me to all of you. So enjoy the song and have a nice time, and once you finish this song you come back and we'll talk a bit more. I have something special to tell you. See ya.
ताकते रहते तुझको सांझ सवेरे, नैनों में है, नैनों में तुझको सांझ सवेरे, नैनों में बसियां जैसे नैन ये तेरे, नैनों में बसियां जैसे नैन ये तेरे, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन। पहले पहल तुझे देखा तो दिल मेरा धड़का है, धड़का धड़का है, पहले पहल तुझे देखा तो दिल मेरा धड़का है, धड़का धड़का है, जल जल उठा हूँ मैं शोला जो प्यार का, भड़का है, भड़का भड़का है, नींदों में घुल गए हैं सपने जो तेरे, बदले से लग रहे हैं अंदाज मेरे, बदले से लग रहे हैं अंदाज मेरे, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन, तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन। बेआब सा दिल ये बेताब सा तड़पा जाए तड़पा तड़पा जाए। माही बेआब सा दिल ये बेताब सा तड़पा जाए तड़पा तड़पा जाए। नैनों की झील में उतरा था यूं ही दिल डूबा जाए डूबा डूबा जाए। होशो हवास अब तो होने लगे हैं हम भी दीवाने तेरे होने लगे हैं हम भी दीवाने तेरे होने लगे हैं। तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन। ताकते रहते तुझको सांझ सवेरे नैनों में बसियां जैसे नैन ये तेरे नैनों में बसियां जैसे नैन ये तेरे। तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन। तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन। तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन मेरे दिल का ले गए चैन तेरे मस्त मस्त दो नैन।
Well, now you might be probably thinking that what the hell, what he wanted to say. I mean, maybe you have heard the song just in the curiosity that what the hell will he say? Well, nothing really special. I'm just going to tell you something quite interesting that I found quite interesting. Well, like 2 days back, I sent a private message to around 10 users, including our respected Karim Bhai and Mac, Jasmine, Cutie Shona, and all the others, many others in fact, not all but many others. So meaning that approximately the full staff, and my good luck, I didn't even receive an answer from a single person. Now I didn't find the reason. Maybe they were just busy enough in posting news and other stuff, or maybe they were not interested, or maybe they didn't understood my concept of this episode. I have no idea of what was the problem, but unfortunately the thing is that I didn't get any private message, but only one user, my sweetie, I mean my sweet friend. Oh, do not take it serious, huh? As you already said, hey, stay in limits. Limits. Well, okay. I'm sorry. My sweet friend Miss Nimra from France, as she told me. Nimra, well, I like to call her Nirma, and I'm going to call her Nirma from now onwards. But well, her real username is Nimra. So I got her SMS in return. Not SMS. I am really sorry. I mean, come on, living in Pakistan and not talking about SMS, it's impossible. The SMS is an important part of our life in Pakistan. The SMS is a very important part of our lives in Pakistan. So it's very difficult not to speak of them. Anyhow, I got a private message from her, and she said that alright, I want you to play a song and she told for whom as well, and she gave a very sweet message. So I'm going to read out the message here, but before I'll tell you what she said. She said that my name's Nimra. I want to play the song Khuda Jane from the movie Bachna Hai Hasino. Well, Nimra, as you told Bachna Hai Hasino, the movie name, that's really nice, but Khuda Jane is quite famous song, and I understood in the first time as well that which song you're talking about. Anyhow, and then she said that this song is dedicated to all the FM members. FM means Friends Mania, friendsmania.net. Okay, and she gave a very sweet message as well. and that message I would like to speak of here because that's really sweet and nice. She said that love is not about finding the right person, but creating a right relationship. It's not about how much love you have in the beginning, but how much love you build till the end. Wow, very good. Clapping, you see here? I clap for you. I would repeat it slowly so that you understand. Love is not about finding the right person, but creating a right relationship. That's the first part. Second part would be, it's not about how much love you have in the beginning, but it's about how much love you built till the end. Well, I pray to God that never that end comes, because it's almost impossible to find real and true lovers in this world. The world is really bad, and it's, I would not say impossible, because of course it is possible, but it's very difficult to find a really good person that really loves you and your heart. That's almost impossible. Anyhow, we'll get to the song, and once we get back, we'll move to our last song and a last speech of first episode. Thanks for bearing me. Enjoy the song Khuda Jaane by Nimra. I'm sorry, Nirma.
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ। क्या ये सबको होता है?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ।
सजदे में यूं ही झुकता हूँ, तुम पे ही आके रुकता हूँ। क्या ये सबको होता है?
हमको क्या लेना है सबसे, तुमसे ही सब बातें अब से बन गए हो तुम मेरी दुआ।
खुदा जाने के मैं फिदा हूँ, खुदा जाने मैं मिट गया, खुदा जाने ये क्यों हुआ है कि बन गए।